Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired from our previous DIY phonics based activity FlipBook. You can check the video on the top right now by clicking the link. Today we are going to talk about verbs. Now what are verbs? Verbs are an important part of speech which describe or express the action or the state of being of the noun. Basically, in simple terms, verbs are nothing but action words or doing words. Now, what is the tense of a verb? The tense of a verb basically describes the timeline of when that verb was actually taking place. For example, whether that particular action took place in the past, it is taking place right now, that is in the present, or will or shall take place in the future. Another important aspect when we are dealing with verb tenses are the types of verbs. Are they regular verbs or irregular verbs? Today we are going to be talking about regular verbs. Regular verbs are nothing but when their form, that means the past, future and the present form, remains the same across the subject, which means across the first part of the sentence. Then we say that it is a regular verb. Also, the past tense is the most simplest and the most used tense in English language, and we can simply use your past tense by including an ed after the verb. So today we are looking at a DIY verb tense foldable or a flipbook using your regular verb. So basically, using the same concept of our DIY flipbook, I have made 3 sections. The first section contains will and shall, which means that we are talking about the future tense. Then we have all the different verbs here. Basically, these are the different actions of a noun. You can play, walk, call, sit, jump, pass, enter, call, etc. And then we have the very simple ed, which is the past tense. So using phonics, your child can read the verb. So this would be the simple present. Walk. I walked to the park. I will walk. I will play. I shall play in some time. I played in the park. I will call Mama. I called Mama today. I chew my food. I shall chew my food properly. I will chew my food properly. I chewed my food properly at lunch today. I enter the building. I shall enter the building. I will enter the building. I entered the building. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and at the same time hit the bell icon so that you never miss a notification when I upload a new video.